let's take a walk. So we're gonna go through some alleys in the historical texture of Yazd. This video is dark, no people in it, and a little weird, but it's interesting. I like it myself. Not much to talk about, just some of these alleys are so narrow that they are called like makeup alleys. You know how some people have a quarrel and then they make up? That's it. So these alleys are so narrow, and the idea behind them is that if two people come across each other in one of these alleys, one of them has to let the other go first, and that's how they would make up. This is where I made a wrong choice, and that caused me to hit a dead end in the end of this video. There are still some people living in some of these houses, but most of them have been rebuilt and reused as uh, some cafes and some historical sites and stuff. But you will see houses that people are living in, mostly very old people. And that's the dead end I told you about. Thanks for the support. Good night.